Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to create custom brush texture in Photoshop. This trick will add unique effects to your design. Let's dive in. Start by opening a new document and drawing or importing a texture you'd like to use. It could be anything from a photograph of a rough surface to a hand-drawn pattern. Once you have your texture, go to Edit, define brush preset, and name your new brush and click OK. Your custom brush is now available in the brush panel. Next, open the brush setting panel by going to Window, Brush Setting. Here you can adjust various attributes like shape, dynamics, scattering, and texture to refine your custom brush. To use your custom brush in action, create a new layer and start painting. Experiment with different settings and opacities to achieve the desired effect. And there you go. Custom brush textures can add a unique touch to your design. Try creating different brushes to see what unique effects you can come up with. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.